Hello everybody, how are you doing? It's your girl Louange and I'm here with a makeup tutorial. You'll be watching me do my makeup with a voiceover. However, the voiceover will not be done by me, but it will be done by two of my close guy friends, Lamont and Emeka. So they're going to be actually, explaining to you what I'm doing. I mean, they know what they're talking about, right? Right? So I thought this would be a fun way for us to do a makeup tutorial where it's not just the usual way. I was actually inspired by Nella Rose and Annie Drea. They did this video with their guy friends, so I thought it was actually pretty funny, so I thought I should do the same thing. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this and I hope you love this look that I created. I really tried. This is probably the third time I wore makeup in the last 2 months or so, because you know who, Miss Rona has been just keeping us all locked down in the house, so really there hasn't been a reason for me to put on makeup. But I thought this would be fun for us to actually enjoy, and you just get to hear different voices and guys to talk about to really help us along a makeup tutorial. I think it'll be funny. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll come back at the very end to just say goodbye. Yeah, so that's really it. Let's get into it.
Yeah. Coming in. Yeah. Flex.
What's going on, beautiful people? We out here about to do this makeup tutorial.
This is Lamont, and today I'm going to show you what she's going to do to beat her face up today. So right now she is applying something that looks like cocoa powder.
It looks like it's actually more of a brush, like a nail polish brush, but it's an egg. Yeah, we got the egg. Also known as the blender.
But she's blending it well. And then she's dotting. She putting dots everywhere. She putting dots.
We are applying that to the face, and we're trying to get this perfect shade going on right now. It's kind of look clean and clear and under control. We got the mega egg in the building now. Why is she doing? I know what I'm doing. So, and she is blending. Let me tell you. Next, she's putting on more concealer. So, it's concealer. She's putting concealer under her eyes. You just want to give it that I woke up like this look. And we got the paintbrush back. Oh, and now it's under the eyes. Right. Yep. We're trying to get every single spot. No, don't put the eye now. And that's a different shade completely, but we'll see the magic. See you know what it is. It's about to become one shade just now. Oh, back to the cheeks. Are we rubbing that on? Goodness me, that looks like a lot though, I ain't gonna lie. Applying that on the cheeks as well. Oh, it's on the nose, now it's on the forehead.
Oh, and she do a little dance. It's important to do a little dance because you don't want to take yourself too seriously while you apply. Oh, and make sure you cool off your face because you don't want it to melt or whatever. Next, you gotta blend. Don't forget to blend.
See, the blender does make sense now. See, that's a completely different color, and now it's all gonna come in sync
with each other. So you make sure you just blend.
Still hasn't blended in completely yet though. Oh, them lips are glossing right now though. You're not gonna show them what type of lip gloss you use though.
You don't want your face looking like it's divided. Next, are you putting concealer on? Next she's putting concealer on her eyelid, under her eye, over her eye. Why is she putting it? Wait, why is she putting it over her eye?
It's almost like a fade, you start off with the 0 guard. No, actually no guard, then a 0 guard, then a 1 guard, then a 2 guard.
She's brushing her eyebrows. Because she wanted to get that nice look. And then she blended that in again. Blend. Stir that pot. Stir that, get that everything mixed up. There you go. Oh, I know what that is. That's an eyebrow pencil.
Oh, that's the filler pencil. All right, we got it's a pencil. Yo, honestly, I might need that. But this is nice. We're trying to make the the meme, eyebrows on fleek. Yeah, we're using that right now.
She filling it up, adding that little bit of color, a little bit of that pow, that 1 2 thank you, boo boo, okay.
And yeah, they definitely on fleek at this very moment. You might have to ask her
This for research purposes, of course.
You don't want to be looking surprised, so don't give you that surprise look.
We got the smiles and giggles all up in here.
Hey, okay, she's smiling. She's like, I just killed that.
Oh, don't poke your eye now. Like I said, don't poke your eye. Got the eyes rolling back. Oh man, let's keep it PG.
Wait a second. Trying to blind yourself?
What is this? You know that powder that you use after like you shave? I don't know, maybe that's just me, but like that's what it looks like right now. So we're using that, but she ain't shaved nothing though. So I don't know what the flour.
You're putting some flour on your face. Get some all-purpose flour and put it on your face. Like,
all right, it's that baby powder special. That's what it is. It's got to be baby powder. So we got the baby powder. Oh, we're showing both eggs. Both eggs. You feel me? You got to make sure that place is nice and clean, nice and soft like a baby's bottom.
You want it everywhere. Yep, there you go. Like, she I'm directing her. Yeah, get it everywhere. She doing good. Add some more of that chocolate milk and put that underneath your brows. Underneath both your brows. You can't just put it underneath one of your brow. I know she's doing it underneath one of her brow right now, but like she's gonna put it underneath both. Like watch. Like she has to. Like it's my look. I know the look. See, there you go. I told you. There you go. Apply that chocolate milk. There you go. That must be that Nesquik. That Nesquik or something.
And this is the lineup part. Legit. Like that's literally like the T outliner. She's using that without a ruler too. So you know like. That wrist work is definitely coming to use here. Look at that. Oh, so accurate. You know, I can do that too, I think. But, you know, look at it. Now, if you look closely, you can see the definition like it's a lineup. Like, it's so crispy. Damn, she might have to do mine for me.
That flour on her face, like, it just got me a little confused, you know. Just saying, you're just gonna leave the flour like that? Especially, like, on the forehead, like, you didn't even bother blending it. You just said, I'm gonna just leave it there. You know, she could have did. She really could have just took the flour and went poof on her face, and it would have the same effect. But I'm not here to roast.
Okay, so this is a different color now, so I think she's trying to make those eyes pop. You know, when she, like, last time when she was, like, all giddy, she's trying to make those eyes pop. You know what I mean?
Additionally, also add a little bit eyeshadow. You know, a little bit of eyeshadow. You can give yourself some color. Too many people be looking plain. Like, differentiate yourself. And that's what my girl is trying to do right here. You see that? You see? Ooh, layers. They don't understand us. They don't understand.
So yeah, she's definitely trying to show off now. This is just a light flex. Look at her, a little jump here and then. It's like, yeah, I'm that bit. That's more of like a burgundy colorway. So, she got more pastels out here, applying this powder type substance. Oh,
we can't be basic out here. It can't be not just one. We're not just doing one color out here. Not just one color. We're doing colors. Colors. We're adding. Yep, she's adding some more.
Oh, that song. She's jamming to that song right now. You know, you need that because then it gives you that edge. You know. You're hearing that song and you're feeling like, yo, I am that bit. Like, that's me, right? I'm trying to guess what song's playing in the background. You know, I'm trying to have a Congolese waistline by Summer, even though we ain't gonna have one.
And is that Shimmer? Is that... Woo! That wasn't even like my tutorial. Like she adding extra stuff now, but that shimmer's nice.
So she's trying to be like, yo, golden girl right here with glitter. That's definitely popping now. She put all of them together and topped it off with the glitter to show that like I'm a star.
Holy, it actually looked like she took like a gold bar, chopped it up, made it into like a fine powder and just adding it above her eye. I rate that.
Oh, so like now there is that burgundy color on the cheeks. So it's giving it that definition, if you know what I mean.
Make sure you get your contour. You know, you do the look, you know, like you holding your cheeks together, like make sure you get that done as well. Oh, gotta do it on both sides, you know, gotta add a little complexity, little details, as I said from before.
So she's trying to get it chiseled, right? It's that model status. You're already a model out here, but she's trying to show y'all, like, I'm that model.
This is the blending part. All the colors are just merging all together.
The flower's gone. So that part is crispy, nice and light, winding on. Honestly, makeup takes a long while when you think about it, but you get better at it because this is some professional work right now. Oh, now we adding the slits. That's what I'm going to call them. The slits without poking the eye. Look at that precision. Look at that focus.
You gotta have that cat line, you know, that adds that detail, the definitive detail. And it makes you look like I will cut you
I will cut you if you don't watch out. So, you know, just give yourself a little bit of an edge.
Oh, now we're making those eyelashes flick up. Yep, the eyelashes are like stairs out here.
Make sure you do your lashes. You don't want to keep your regular look of you looking like you have 3 lashes on your face. So make sure you get your lashes done.
But now we add in the darkness to the eyelashes. Oh, was that glue maybe? I don't know what that. Oh, so she put on eyelashes by herself, no problem whatsoever.
Oh, she putting the falsies on. She putting the falsies. I did not even know.
Y'all know that meme with the yellow emoji? And then she got the eyelashes and you got her hand out? That's what she's on right now. That's the type of energy she's on right now. We need that in 2020 with this virus.
And now she is just, you know, adding some final touches. I don't understand. I don't exactly know what the powder is. It's like a shimmer. Oh, she's adding like a shimmer on her face. Ooh, you know, make it look like the light's hitting her face all the time. Every single time, you know. Like a personal lighting person is just following her around.
That shine effect. Because before the cheeks were defined, now it's glistening, right? So this is stupendous work, if I should say so myself.
Are you putting powder on your lips? Why are you doing that? Oh, okay, that's like a lip liner, I think. Correct me if I'm... Actually, don't correct me. I know what I'm talking about. That is a lip liner. Yes. A lip pencil is what people in the industry call it. Yes, a lip pencil. You're just lining her lips, you know, and it adds a little contour look, a little shadow. Is it lip shadow then? That might be lip shadow. Yeah, that's looking like lip shadow, to be completely honest.
Oh, and now we are putting on, that's not lip gloss. That's let's just say that's like a type of lipstick going on. So we got the paintbrush back, but we're making the lips pop,
you know, and the look is now complete. Get a look at her. Y'all want to look like this.
The smile out here, look at them pearly whites out here. Oh, I could smile out here too. We got the slow-mo effect going on. When you got the model look, the hair flip.
Y'all want to look like this. Look inspired by Lamont.
A huge thank you to Emeka and Lamont for actually saying yes to doing this. They didn't have to do this, but they are just supporting me, and I'm just super grateful to have friends that can do that for me and can just honestly just continue to push me forward into this journey. But yeah, that is it for this video. Make sure you stay connected. Make sure you stay tuned in. Remember to follow my Instagram and subscribe to this channel. And yeah, so see you next time. Bye.